everybody, it's Mrs. Hetrick. We're going to do a little experiment here with Logan and Tyler as my assistants. We're going to look at water density and concentration with mixtures. So we're going to be adding some sugar to water, food coloring to that mixture, and hoping that they dissolve. Once we do that, we're going to try to layer them in this glass and see how that works. So let's get started. Do you want to start by adding this? This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. I measured them out ahead so that you didn't have to watch us do that. Do you want to try to pour that into the glass? Okay, so he's going to pour the 1 tablespoon of sugar into this glass. All in there. Good job. All right, you can set that aside. Tyler, do you want to do the 2 tablespoons into this glass?
Okay.
You can stand up with this. It's okay if a little bit gets out. That's why we have our plate here. So that's 2 tablespoons. All right, we've got 3 and 4 here now too. So you can see that there's a little more in this glass, right? So let's add 3 tablespoons. Uh-oh, this is a little trickier. I should have used a funnel or a smaller bowl. That's 3 tablespoons. Ooh, that one's gonna be tricky. Let's use our hands as a funnel. Good job.
A lot.
It is a lot. I hope it dissolves. A little bit on the plate, that's okay. All right, so the next thing we have to do is add our water. We're gonna use the same amount of water in each glass. Different amounts of sugar, but the same amount of water. So we're gonna actually take this water and put 3 tablespoons in each glass. So I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3. And this is very exciting. 1, 2,
It doesn't look
3.
like sugar inside, only on the bottom.
Logan, we're gonna add red to that first one. Do you wanna grab the red? And just getting down to the bottom here. 1, 2, 3. Well, you gotta open it first.
Okay, I'll use
All right, so remember it just pops off the top.
1 drop.
So let's put a couple drops just to make it
3.
brighter. So put a couple of drops. That's good. Just set it in there, Logan. That's good. Just put it in here. That's perfect. Let's put it in here. And then you can start stirring gently, okay? All right. If you want to put the blue in, Tyler, you can start stirring that one. And I'll stir the middle one. Ooh, that's a lot too. We're out of control with these.
Okay, that's good.
All right, so we're going to stir these until all the sugar dissolves.
And 2 drops.
Instead of making you wait, we'll pause for a second. Okay, we're back. I think most of it has dissolved. We stirred and stirred and stirred. It took a little while. The ones that had 3 and 4 tablespoons in them took a little longer than the ones that had 1 or 2 tablespoons. So we're going to start with the most dense, okay, the most concentrated. It had the most sugar, same amount of water. And we're going to pour into here. I don't think I'm going to pour all of it because I don't know that they'll all fit. Hopefully this spoon fits, yeah. Okay, so if we pour it onto the spoon, it won't hit the other one. See, that's how we're gonna be pouring. Slowly and gently. Okay, I'll just pour about that much.
That's a lot.
It is a lot. All right, now we're gonna try the green. Let me move it over a bit for you. I'm gonna try to pour it onto the spoon. Actually, Tyler, can you move that glass for me, please? Right off there, thanks. I'm gonna pour it onto the glass so that it doesn't splash into the blue one, and hopefully it'll sit on top. Is it sitting on top?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Now let's try the yellow.
And
And this one is a little less concentrated. That one's dripping, Tyler. Don't put it on the tablecloth. Hopefully this is gonna work. Is it working? Oh no. The yellow, not so much. The blue and green really worked.
Only
Let's
a
see if
little bit of
the red one works. I don't have much room left. Did it work?
The red.
Kind of.
Only
You can
red
see the
and
different
red.
shades, just not the yellow. The red's really dark, isn't it? But you can see the dense one is the blue and it's staying on the bottom. This one's a little less dense and it's sort of just staying, floating on top. And then there was yellow and red, but I don't know what happened in there. They kind of mixed together, I guess. Eventually they will all mix together because they're the same solution. They're just sugar and water. So you can see that the more dense things are heavier, they're gonna sink to the bottom, whereas the other ones will layer on top. Hopefully if you try this, the yellow will show up because it would look really cool. Kind of looks like a popsicle, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hope you can try this at home. Pretty simple. All you need is sugar, water, and some food coloring. Have fun.
It looks yummy.